How do I get that childlike wonder back for reading? क्यों नहीं पढ़ी जा रही हैं मुझसे किताबें? Reading slump is basically when you find yourself unable to get back to reading, even for the books that you typically enjoy reading. It's a very frustrating phase for all of the readers because nothing seems to hit the spot and not finding the right book to spark your interest again. And here, ladies and gentlemen, is where short books will help you. They will give you the instant dopamine rush and that instant satisfaction of completing a book. There are millions of books which you can complete in a day or so. But here are a few of my favorite picks on short books that I really enjoyed reading. Well, hello, मेरा नाम चारू है. Welcome to Kitabi Cabins. And my first pick for the books which will help you come out of a reading slump is a collection of short books. It is a book which you would want to gift to yourself or would want to be gifted as a reader from someone else. It's a collection of short books which was published by Penguin on their 80th birth anniversary. In this set you'll have 80 short patli choti Penguin ki classic collections, and here are few of my favorites. I talk about the first one a lot. It's I Hate and I Love by Catalyst. I had no idea before getting into the book what it's about, and it was such a lovely discovery. Catalyst की एक बहुत famous line है, I hate and I love. If you ask me how, I don't know. I only feel it and I'm torn into. This is what he wrote for his lover, जिसका pen name Lesbia है. उसने बहुत कबीर सिंह type poetry लिखी है for a lady जो उसकी अब है नहीं. She's married to an aristocratic man, and this is of the same lines. I hate and I love. It's such a beautiful collection. बहुत अच्छी poems हैं इसके बारे में. And the next recommendation from this collection is The Nose by Nikolai Gogol. It is a work of fiction which does not open itself for convincingly easy explanation. Although it is a very absurdist work of fiction, but it has very harsh realism to it. Mocking commentary on society and raising the status of a nose. And I won't go on about giving out the spoilers, but it's a lovely book. Another book recommendation I have is How Much Land Does a Man Need by Leo Tolstoy. Leo Tolstoy की इसमें 2 या 3 short story collections हैं. इतनी पतली किताब में भी और short stories हैं. It's a story about greed and temptation. I remember जब मैंने ये तीनों stories पढ़ी थी ना, I had a stark memory of reading that back when I was in 4th, 5th class. Moral values की जो subject होता था उसमें ये कहानियाँ मैंने सारी पढ़ी हुई थी, which makes sense for the kind of moral lesson Tolstoy is trying to give out here. But it was actually nice to trace it back to Tolstoy that okay, whatever I had heard in a very boiled down liquid form is Tolstoy's work after all. And another book I want to recommend from this collection is Only Dull People Are Brilliant at Breakfast by Oscar Wilde. This book was a love at first sight, especially the title. Another book I want to recommend is The Night is Darkening Around Me by Emily Bront or Bronte. I'm not very sure. कुछ दिन पहले ही मुझे पता लगा it's not Bronte, it's Bront. पूरी जिंदगी में Bronte sisters कहते हुए आई थी. But yeah, I love the Bronte sisters. The Life of a Stupid Man is also a lovely work. The Telltale Heart by Edgar Allan Poe. And another book set recommendation I have is by Penguin only. उनके modern Penguin classic के collection है जिसमें modern classics हैं ऐसी छोटी किताबों में. And up till now मेरे से कोई भी सवाल पूछता था ना कि चारू what's your favorite genre, what sort of books you like to read, I never had anything to reply to it because it's such a paralyzing question. मैं कैसे गिनवाऊँ आपको 100 किताबें जो मेरे को पढ़नी पसंद है. But I saw this collection and मुझे एक किताब इसमें से like there's not even a single book I don't like in this collection. And इसको पढ़ने के बाद I could just put it in a box that okay, maybe modern classics is my genre. I love modern classics. Some of my favorites from the collection were Notes on Nationalism by George Orwell, 3 Japanese short stories, Dark Days by James Baldwin, Of Dogs and War. We have John Steinbeck in the collection, Susan Sontag, Albert Camus, John Berger, Italo Calvino, Jack Kerouac. We have Samuel Beckett, we have Allen Ginsberg, we have Jean Rice, and so many other names जिनको मैं एक करके सारी किताबें गिनवा दूंगी. But I love all of them. If you want to get yourself something from this recommendation, I would highly recommend to get your hands on the Modern Penguin Classics. It's such a good collection of works, and it is a delight to read each and every work of the writers. Another short story recommendation I have for you this time is by a very problematic man. I never thought I'd be recommending him. ever, which is Notes of a Dirty Old Man by Charles Bukowski. मुझे Bukowski initially कभी पसंद नहीं आया because of very obvious reasons on how misogynistic he was. It was hard for me to sit through his text and ignore his misogyny. I think I've learned to appreciate Bukowski. काम उनका बहुत सुंदर है. I have to agree about this. Bukowski was a horrible man. He lived a horrible life, but what he wrote about was beautiful, and I cannot deny that. This is a very short work of his where we are following this drunk man who loves to complain about the world, is not very nice to women as well. We will get Bukowski's insights into literature and politics and about how he goes on to ranting about everything around him, and I think I've grown to enjoy his complaints क्योंकि I do relate to him कि सुबह उठते आदमी और वो बोल रहा है ये क्या है, यहाँ क्यों है, मैं क्यों कर रही हूँ ये, what is happening. I get it because same. And well, these are my recommendations for this video. I hope you get your hands on to any of the books I talk about, and even मैंने पहले भी कोई किताबें recommend करी हैं. Please let me know अगर आप पढ़ रहे हैं, if you are enjoying them, and what do you think about the books I've been recommending. And this is it for the video. Thank you for being here, thank you for being kind, and I will see you next time.